Meditation for the Divine Feminine and Gdoo Naaganinaa, a guided meditation based on the principles of the field, infused with the Divine Feminine and the Gdoo Naaganinaa philosophy of shared abundance, unity, and harmony. Preparation. Take a moment. We shall wait. Find a quiet, sacred space where you feel connected to Mother Nature. Sit comfortably, feet on the ground or in a cross-legged position. Rest your hands gently on your lap, palm facing up in receptivity. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling love, exhaling knowing you are tethered to love. We should go through 3 phases for this meditation. Phase 1, merging with the field of love. Breath of connection. Inhale through your nose, visualizing golden light entering your heart. Exhale through your mouth, knowing that you are tethered to Source, called love. Continue this breath cycle, feeling yourself dissolving into the etheric field of love. Say to yourself constantly, I am so loved. I am love. The Divine Feminine embodiment, Oma. See yourself standing at the center of an ancient circle of wise women, priestesses, and grandmothers. Feel Isis, Mary, and Gaia encircling you, whispering the words, You are the vessel of the eternal. The waters of wisdom flow through you. You are love in embodiment. Allow their presence to activate the Divine Feminine within you, filling you with grace, wisdom, and nurturing energy. The circle of shared abundance, Gdoo Naaganinaa, the indigenous phrase. The one plate, one spoon vision. Imagine a beautiful landscape, lush forests, flowing rivers, and golden fields. In the center, there is a large circular table where people from all nations, ancestors, and future generations gather. A single plate and spoon is passed among them, symbolizing shared abundance, unity, and reciprocity. As you take the spoon, whisper, What I receive, I share. What I share returns to me in love. Gdoo Naaganinaa. Energy transfer and offering. Now place your hands over your heart and radiate love, healing, and nourishment to all beings. Gdoo Naaganinaa. As you exhale, visualize the golden energy flowing outward, blessing the earth, the rivers, the people, and all future generations. Phase 3, merging with the cosmic womb, Oma, the Divine Feminine calling. Return to the Great Mother, Oma. Imagine yourself floating in the cosmic womb we call Earth, where all possibilities exist. Here you are held in the arms of the Divine Feminine, Oma, resting in perfect trust and love. Whisper the affirmation, I am safe, I am held, I am love in motion. Oma Gdoo Naaganinaa. Intention and release. Set an intention for yourself, the world, or those in need. Release it into the field, knowing it is already manifesting in harmony with the one truth of love. Feel it. Love is always with you. You are infinite. Oma Gdoo Naaganinaa. Together, let's state 9 times Oma Gdoo Naaganinaa to vibrate every field on earth, the phrase that calls upon your internal Divine Feminine to share the lands with all of nature as she remembers the timeless vibration from your heart. Oma Gdoo Naaganinaa. 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 In closing, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your feet connected to the earth, grounded in balance, peace, and love. Take a deep inhale. Exhale with a smile and gently open your eyes. Carry this vibration of unity into your daily life. Thank you for joining.